The man is here. The man we've been waiting for.
Dang, all these bags, boy.
Yeah, bro. How was your flight, bro?
Bro, it was so long. It was the longest flight ever.
Yours was like 11 hours.
Oh my god, what the? It was 9 hours and then I had a 3-hour flight.
Oh wow, man.
Flight,
Ours was good though.
it was good.
We had fun in Turkey.
The first flight was like I could barely sleep. It was like
Oh yeah, it was so long. I
But
couldn't sleep too.
I couldn't sleep, bro. Wait,
Yeah.
where's your fanny pack? You see how we rocking
Yeah.
it?
We rocking the fanny packs.
So DJI, huh?
DJI.
Whoa, it's smooth.
This is in. I think I'm filming 2K right now.
This is 2K,
Yeah, you could switch like over there.
but 4K takes more space.
Yeah, that's why. That's why I'm
okay.
filming 2K now. This is gonna be first time spending a day in Madrid, Spain.
First time.
First time.
See, we got the luggage here,
Yeah.
all the bags. Wait, how's this fitting in the Uber?
We got so many bags. We gotta fit all this in the Uber van. We all made it to Madrid safely. Alhamdulillah. Jonathan say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
You gotta speak Spanish to him.
Good luck.
The Uber is here. We got a whole van. Thank you.
So awkward on the left, guys. We have to say we're English.
Gonna guys, 30 minutes to our umbrella boat. I'm gonna do some home tour. Let's go. The Spanish highway.
That was your longest flight ever in your life, right?
This is our university because we're pretty close to the university.
We're gonna pass by it.
Oh yeah, that's the school right there. That's the school we're going. Wow. Yeah, we're gonna be walking through this road. Wow, this school is nice. Wow, this school is pretty cool. It's better than UMD.
Low key.
We have arrived home. Let's go. Oh, first time in the city of Madrid. We got so many bags to grab. Okay. To go up. Oh, this is the house. It's one of the bedrooms. I wonder who's gonna choose this place. This is the kitchen and everything.
My name is Sina.
Second room. How are you liking it?
Yo, it's actually clean.
Yeah.
And it's cold.
We got like eaters.
We got a kitchen. Oh, we got our
Oh, we
stove
got a
up.
TV.
Yeah, we got.
I didn't even see the TV. We got a fridge and everything.
What's that thing?
Oh.
Water heater.
For our
For ironing, right? Oh, to dry the clothes. Oh yeah, this is to dry clothes.
Oh wait, let's check out the balcony.
We gotta make sure.
Broke the door.
Oh what? Okay, I got that on video. We didn't do
It's
that.
not broken. So we gotta check everything.
Oh, we got hangers.
I bought some.
What about towels?
Towels.
Oh, I'm cooked. There's no towels.
No towels. I'm liking the sofa. Everyone has a desk and a chair too. The house is pretty good. Nice. Alhamdulillah.
Dang, the only thing we're missing is a couch.
Oh yeah, we don't got no couch.
Boy, that ain't no couch.
Where did this come from?
That's the only couch we have.
And the bathrooms, AbdulRaheem, and the kitchen. Move!
Yeah, we all settled in.
So now we're gonna go get some food because we're starving.
Took my first shower in Spain, changed clothes, repping Sterling, already prayed to run Asr, you know what I'm saying? And now we're gonna go get food. We're going outside, get some food,
Absoluto!
and then go to a shopping store, right?
Yeah.
It's time to put your Spanish to test when we go outside.
Primera.
What are you gonna say? What are you gonna say if you wanna order the food?
Oh, I got you.
So you gotta start looking up dictionary in front of them.
Yeah.
That's what you gotta do.
Where is it?
Oh
All
my,
cooked.
oh my god. Okay, I'll say numero cuanto
Yeah, you're cooked.
cuanto.
Wait, what are you trying to say?
Cuanto.
Are you
I'm
bringing
trying to say I want. How do you say like I wanna buy?
Yo quiero comprar. I want to buy.
Yo quiero comprar
Okay.
bread.
Bread is fine.
Fan? Oh, okay. Yo quiero
Alright.
comprar fan. Yo quiero comprar leche. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We outside. This is literally our first time walking around Madrid, bro. We got the bus Right in front of where we live. Yeah, we don't even know where we're going, bro. I just follow Anib. We're gonna go look for some place to eat. We're going to Burger King. It's a DIY. Entertainment exchange.
Look at us Americans.
We got Burger King in Spain, bro. Let's go check out the menu. Let's see if it's gonna be the same as American Burger King.
Yeah, I thought
They got English. Nice, nice.
Dine in or take out?
Let's dine in. Let's dine
dine
in.
in.
Yeah, I wanna experience it fully.
Yes.
Ooh, look at the menu.
Top sellers.
I'm just gonna show you guys whatever we ended up getting. First time spending euros.
10.8.
I gotta pay 10.8 for Burger King.
I'll take 10 though.
They paid for me. So, yeah. That's you. You get it. Water, whopper, cheeseburger, and fries. It's literally like what you would get in America. So this cheeseburger looks so small, bro. Got cheese tastes better than American cheese. We're gonna eat and then head to the store to go buy some stuff. We're done eating, so now we're gonna go to the store.
Tired ourselves out.
They got McDonald's too. There's like a park down there. All the way down there. We just came into a superstore. Madrid. Wow, this store is packed. They leave no breathing space. We got some stuff. We had a grocery store. Wow, maybe we could find soap and everything in this place. Really nice though.
Perfect. This so,
Yeah.
and it's cheaper.
Yeah, yogurt. The yogurt looks good. Never seen any of this, bro. Oh, wait, I've seen like TV in the US before. Oh, yeah, we need water. In whole case, it's 69 cents.
Look how much water you're getting.
You cannot buy all this for 89 cents in the even for $1.
It's not each, boy.
Oh, wait.
It is.
It's each.
It is each. If we need some vegetables, we're probably gonna be shopping here a lot. Because this is the closest store to us. Oh, they got cereals. What kind of cereals are these?
Out here recording.
Grocery shopping, man. Our first grocery. We just got back home and everyone is pretty tired. Because we haven't slept. Like, we didn't get enough sleep in the plane and everything. So I have to go sleep now. I'm gonna explore the city later. That's the balcony.
Oh no.
This is nice. We're seeing the whole street from up here. This is fire. There's a bus stop down there.
This is pretty cool.
Yeah. Nice balcony.
Yeah.
now we go back inside. Oh, so I'm just chilling in my room right now. It's like 6 p.m. right now in Madrid. And that's about like 12 p.m. in Maryland. With jet lag, I'm not supposed to go to sleep right now. I feel so sleepy because I only had like 5 hours of sleep within like 2 days of traveling. Honestly, I'm having a headache just because of having sleep. This is like 6:30 p.m. Probably gonna wake up like around 4 a.m. or something.
Currently 3 a.m. and Jonathan and I are gonna start editing some YouTube videos. This is my little setup.
And that's Jonathan's.
Yeah.
And that's Jonathan himself.
No sleep when I'm wearing my hoodie back.
Let's get the grind.
Morning, guys. We are now in the morning. And we are back to exploring the city of Madrid, or the city of Getafe, maybe. We are gonna go to the mall, get a number, shop for some other stuff that we need. And how's everyone feeling? How you feeling, bro?
It's cold, man. It's chilly out here.
How you feeling, Anib?
It's cold, yeah. But
Yeah. Everyone, we just so cold. We didn't expect it to be this cold in Madrid. We are now at Vodafone. Better get some SIM card. Looks cool. Looks cool. Looks cool. The boys, the fountain is very nice. I got my SIM card, so now we're going to our school. The school we're gonna be studying at. We just got to the school, and honestly, this is so cool. This building is so big. This school has like 2 sides. There's like on the other side over there too. This is the school, guys. There's probably more to see though. This is the library. Everyone's gonna be looking at me. Why is this guy filming the school? They're gonna know I'm foreign immediately they see me filming. Oh yeah. We found our class. 18. 0.803. Okay, we found our classes. Nice. Guys, we are now in the school library. So I don't want to talk loud because people are studying. Here's the library. It's very cool. We are upstairs right now. And this is the boys. People are studying over there. There's a lot of construction going on here in the school. And look at how big the roundabout is. It's so big. And then look at this stuff in the middle. It's like a middle finger saying F you. Not F you guys though, because you guys are real ones for watching. And thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure to watch to the end. And also subscribe and like the video. And comment down below if you are enjoying my vlog so far. Appreciate you, man. Hey guys, so look at what we got in front of us. Lidl. They got Lidl in Spain, bruh. Isn't that so cool? I literally had to look up shampoo in Spanish, but it's literally just shampoo. And I might get this shampoo. Bro is crying. His banana fell. His banana fell. Sorry, bro. Pick it up. 10 seconds rule. Oh, wow.
Part that's not on the ground.
Alright, bet.
First time in Spain.
First time cooking in Spain.
Drop it all.
Yeah.
Let's cook this too.
It's gonna cook the camera.
Open the window.
Be cooking in this beef. Wow, guys, look at this egg. It looks so good. And we toasted the bread. Oh wow, they adding peanut butter to this sandwich.
Kind of a crazy combo, but anything for the protein.
Alright, I'm gonna do the same too. Watch me eat.
Don't.
Don't skip. Enough eggs for me. You guys.
Protein fat. Glad I have it.
Alright, peanut butter with eggs.
Movie. We can do movie night. Wait, what you got left on the plane?
Perfecto. I literally just cooked jollof rice for the first time, and we are gonna do a taste test right now. I don't trust myself, so I don't know how they're gonna react to it. So this is jollof rice. Does it look good?
Good.
Really? It could look better. Jollof rice looks like more red.
Okay. It's a little, you know,
It's a little, you know what I'm saying?
mushy, soft, not too hard.
Not so hard.
Okay.
Hard would be worse, I think.
Yeah, that I think
Okay.
it was. I look, want you to taste it first.
Oh, okay. Get a spoon. Ready?
See?
I don't want to take too much.
Yeah, just take a little bit, I think.
That's a lot.
It's not a lot.
Let me get a spoon. Is there a spoon there?
It's alright? It's alright? Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
me try.
Let's go. Yeah, okay, now I need to try it. I need to try.
Dang. Wait. Yo, give me a plate, bro.
Really? Oh my
Plate.
god, I'm
Give me a
excited.
plate.
No way, bruh. No way. They actually like it. It's alright. Oh, okay.
Some of them are kind of hard though.
Oh, really?
What are you talking about?
Oh, they get a plate now. Let's go.
I'm gonna just get.
I cook that, John. Maybe the water was a little bit too much. Maybe just un poco,
It
un
tastes
poco.
good, bro.
Tastes good.
Good for first time.
Let's go.
It wasn't all you though.
I did that.
You did not do it.
Your mom that.
No, bro.
He was on FaceTime with his mother. His mother was
Bro.
the one telling him what to do.
But well, I still did it myself. But she was just directing from video call.
Exactly. So your mother.
That does not really help though.
She carried you.
I mean, okay, I'll give my mom like 20% of the, you know what I'm saying?
20.
Yeah, I'll take 80 to myself. Now we're gonna drink mango juice
That's
and rice. Let's go.
Wait, what